What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Told y'all I was going to give you a rundown and a review on the pedal commander after I did the install, so check out the video. So you all saw me install the pedal commander. Check it out. So I'm gonna just give you a brief view and a rundown on what I think about it. First of all, what a pedal commander does, it controls the throttle response to the power. So you could set your pedal commander for the mode that you want. The pedal commander for the Ryker comes in Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus. Also on it, you're able to increase or decrease the response of your throttle. So, in my opinion, when you have the Ryker, that throttle response is a delay. And when you add the pedal commander, it is instant. And it is a takeoff. The minute you put some power on that throttle, you're moving. No delay, no nothing. And even if it's too much for you, what's great about it is you could decrease it. And the best thing I have to say about it is you get rid of that clunk, so you know when you engage, a lot of you guys heard that clunk. Horrible. So let me drive around and give you guys a little bit of footage. So you could clearly, well, I guess you can't clearly, that's crazy because of my muffler, but the sound and the clunk is totally gone. The response on the throttle is instant. As soon as you put grip on that thing, you're gone. Let's do some more riding around. Touch the throttle, this thing wants to take off, and I'm only doing it in city mode. Yo, shout out to Slingmods for the pedal commander. This is an awesome product, needed for your Ryker if you're looking for that speed, that increase on your throttle response. The thing is amazing. What it does to improve your Ryker. Check it out, man. That's the city mode. It lights up. So you got Eco, City, Sport, Sport Plus. And you can control how much response you want on each one. So city's your normal driving. Eco, I believe, is like when you're on the highway, just cruising speeds. Sport and Sport Plus, of course, is you guys that want to ride fast. There you go. Thanks. Follow me in the next video. Like, subscribe, and follow. See you in the next video.